cholera is a system already know. But cholera, dangerous and very determination. That's what we call it, contagious. I don't like the way they are hyping Ebola. No, I mean, let's look at this. You catch a rat, Bela. You cut the head. You put it on fire. You remove the hair. You bath it. Put it back on fire. Bath it again. Cut it into pieces. Put it on fire. Add salt, pepper, onion, ginger. What again? Sabolai. Maggi cube. Onga. What else?